All right, I'm back. We're back with another Money Origami Originals. Roll candy. It's like Mentos, $10 roll candy. Yep. Why is it $10? Looks like a 1 to me. Because it's $11 roll candy. There's $10 in dimes inside. All right, well, it's pretty tricky to assemble. Pretty easy to fold. Well, it's kind of hard making the little skinny folds. This was the first one, and this was the second one. It's pretty cool. It stays together great. Awesome way to give $11 to somebody. Well, I guess you could close it with less dimes in there. Took this one apart because I knew it wasn't that great inside. So I redid it. And it was just short a few dimes. But this one has 10. 10 stacks of 10. And there they are in the back to put in ours. And you might want a pretty crisp bill for this one. Alright, so I got this one. It's not brand new, but it's pretty good. And what you do is you fold it down right at the edge of the border, straight across. So right there, see how we're not folding any of the inked part. And a straight edge certainly helps. So it ends up just covering up where it says Federal Reserve Note. It might be a tiny bit too much. It's really pretty tricky to get it exactly right. Now on this side, we've got to fold the other way. So now just fold this down and just cover up that. Folding the same amount, but this might be just a little bit too much. Actually, fold that down where you just see a little line there going across. Right there, you see a little tiny line. And that's where it really goes. And then on the other side, just try to make the same amount. It's a small amount. So that's the hardest part of the model, really. The rest of it, I think I got a good way to show you how to put it together, which, by the way, the very first one took a lot of work to get it together properly with the dimes in it and stay together. But if you have a brand new pencil that's not sharpened, that would be best. most likely. Second best. One that's really long and the eraser's not messed up. And I don't even have one. But what we're going to do now is get a long round object. If you had one that's shorter than the bill, you can still do it. But now just roll that bill around it. Get it doing the curve. And so that helps. And then, hang on a sec. What we're going to do now is hook it together. You can do it with the thing inside if you want. And just tuck this raw flap into that slot. And if you do it with the device inside, the pencil probably. This is a broken hanger, coat hanger, shirt hanger, plastic one. See, then now I can push down on that crease a little bit. And then, see, it's together. It's a little fragile roll. And now, get you some dimes. Put your finger on the end. And I've got a stack of 10 here. And now they're down there. Ooh, it almost came apart. But once you start getting some dimes in here, that's what keeps it together. So now I'm taking the pencil and making sure they're flat at the other end. And we want to close the other end. So I can feel right over here that they're all flat. And now I can grab down here on the dimes and fold this over. Come on, camera. Fold this over. I'm pinching the dimes and the crease. And you fold the end in like a coin roll. Oop, they're slipping a little bit. Don't let that happen because it'll come apart on you. And then it's kind of frustrating. So it doesn't have to be folded in that great yet. But it's folded in some. And now you start loading up your dimes. You got to make sure they're flat as you go. You can use the ramrod. And it can hold a few more or a few less, but 100 dimes is pretty cool. And see, now you can crease this down some more. I've got them up to here now. See. So I'm a little bit worried about up here at the top. Oh, there it goes. It went back in. Just be careful. And if your folds are too deep, the dimes will make it burst. And if they're not folded far enough, it's not going to stay together. But we got the right amount in the video. As you can see, this one's going together great. See, I still have this one and the original. No trickery here. It's pure magic. All right. It's going together pretty good. Uh-oh. It's trying to come undone. Get your straight edge. Uh-oh. We are in trouble now. Uh-oh. Now I got to dump out some of the dimes because you can't hook it back while they're in there. There's no room. That's what I get for letting it come apart a little bit while I was doing it. So you gotta kind of keep that closed. While you put the dimes in. Well, you get the idea. It's a matter of this is a skill puzzle. The fold's a little bit off in the middle because those long skinny folds are hard to get exact. But it's okay. So I hope if you attempt it that you definitely can fold it. Just get those first two folds are really critical. Get them both the same amount folded over. They're not laying flat. And if you get the same amount folded over, and it's just a very small amount like that, you will succeed. And everybody will wonder how you did that. So I'm holding it up straight and tampering the top with the rod like that. And once you get them all in there, laying flat, now you can press down on the crease. It's just a little bit weak right there, but it's pretty good for a video. You definitely get the idea. And it is folded. And there we go. So when you fold in the end on the first one, fold in a little bit more. A little bit further past the white edge. Works better. Like that. So And then on this side, I accidentally pushed it in. So it's like the other kind of coin roll. But I can fold it down now, but I kind of like it like that. And I kind of wish I could do that on both ends. But this, I don't want to make it into a huge long video. And there's the roll candy. It's pretty cool. Holds $10 in dimes. And you get an extra dollar roll to boot. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that one. It's pretty fancy. Nobody has it. That's what the channel's about. Original origami with money. Have a nice evening. Take care.